Munene wa thitango cia muingi Nuruddin Haji ni areganite na itua ria igoti rinene ria Milimani ria kugiria kunyitwo na guthitangwo kwa president wa kiama kia mawakiri LSK Nelson Havi uria ungetheirwo ni thitango cia kuhahithia na kuguraria abithaa munene wa kiama giki Mercy Wambua. Haji kugerera ndumiriri iria arekereirie oigite itua ria mucirithania Jairus Ngati rikinyaniru, akiuga wabici yake ndikinyaniire itua ria kana Havi ena thitango cia gucokia kana ca o nginya mamurike riboti ya wabici ya DCI igie ndeto eno. Itua ria DPP riukite mathaa manini thutha wa Havi gutengera igoti-ini rinene ria Milimani kuria mucirithania Jairus Ngati arugamirie kwa ihinda maabithaa a thitango cia muingi kumunyita na kumuhingurira thitango cia kuhahithia na kuguraria Wambua uria makoretwo makigucaniria utongoria wa kiama kia mawakiri.
There are those amongst us and in the public who claim that we are washing our dirty linen in public. Let me dissuade you of that notion. Examples abound of CEOs and public officers who, despite termination of services, cling to office to conceal their wrongdoing or just out of outright refusal to let go.
Havi auma akinyo igoti-ini kiroko kia umuthi thutha wake kunyitwo ira hwaini na kuhungwo mahuri wabici-ini ya DCI na gucoka kurekererio na bodi ya borithi ya ciringi 10,000. Niareganite na mateta ma Wambua akimuorota ni kugeria guthukia mucemanio wa atongoria a kiama kia mawakiri mothe wa Jumatatu na ni umwe wa aria maungumanitie mbeca cia kiama giki.
Is that 9 council members voted in favor of retention of the CEO, which means reinstatement. 3 council members, including the LSK president, voted in favor of or made a decision in favor of her removal. The lawyers have said under section 26, subsection 6 of the LSK Act, the decision to remove the CEO of the LSK therefore failed because the majority of council members held that he should be able to continue.
Maya magithiaga na mbere kiama gia gutetera ihoto cia atumia FIDA ni gikumithitie giko kia Havi gikiuga kuhahithia na kuguraria Wambua ni kuhotomia ihoto cia atumia na ni maundu mahituke ni mahinda. Muikariri gito wa FIDA Nancy Kino ni orite ruhonge rwa borithi na wabici ya thitango cia wikinaĩ DCI makinyukie ikinya gutigirira kihoto ni kioneka. Reportera Kameme TV Jeta Gitau wa Wanjikũ.